Hi yoga friends, have you heard? June 10th is my birthday. I'm a Gemini. And I'd love to celebrate it with you. I'm planning on having a potluck. After my 6:30 p.m. Unity Vinyasa class, I'm planning on having a potluck and playing Yoga Double Dare. That's right, I've invented a yoga party game show. And you can play here in person at Metta or play along on Zoom. The game starts at 9 o'clock. You don't have to take the class prior, but it'd be a lot cooler if you did. What is Yoga Double Dare? Now that's a good question. Think yoga meets Nickelodeon Double Dare. There's yoga questions and yoga physical challenges for all levels, plus dance-offs and something else I'm adding to the second edition to Yoga Double Dare.